In this level, we're going to learn about the mind. Our mind, like me, I come from China. If I try to use English effectively, I have to know how English, the rule, the principle, how to pronounce some certain sound. For example, in China, we don't have that. Like, for example, E, long E, or short A. I would use middle E replace all the, we don't have like a TH sound, right? You, English speakers would do it automatically without awareness. But for me, for us, for learning English, we have to know that. So we don't, for many us, we are strangers, how our body works, how our mind works. We just by default, our mind like a wild horse in like all the wide garden, like for weed. This session we're going to pull out all the weed, eliminate all negativities, find out why they are there. See if we can we'll clear it. At least you're aware it, right? Once you're aware, starting things will start to change. In the next level, we'll go beyond the mind, beyond the thinking mind. You will know everything will naturally falling into the place, perfect place. But then we got to know the mind, respect the mind first. So the mind don't feel like left out. We can't neglect it like a child as well, the mind, okay? You take care of it. You understand it, okay? Respect. So it feel hurt, okay? Hurt the voice. We give that. Then the mind will benefit. We are doing things to benefit us. We will tell the mind, building relationship with the mind, good relationship, okay? Then we tell the mind what we want, so the mind will start to help us to achieve whatever we want. That is this session, this like level's purpose, okay? Train the mind, building good relationship with mind. Thank you. Take care.